In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fraction into its simplest form. Now, it's actually very easy. One of the things I've told you before is what you do to the top, you gotta do to the bottom. Let's look at 15 over 50. The first thing we're going to think about is there a number, the same number, that can be divided equally into 15 and equally into 50? Is there one number that when we divide into these two numbers will equal will equal a whole number remaining 0? Okay, well yes, 5. 5 goes into both of these numbers and leaves a remainder of 0. Okay, so what we've got to do to the top, we've got to do to the bottom. Okay, so let's look. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So that will be the new numerator. And now what we're going to do is we're going to divide the 50 by 5. So we've got 3 as a numerator, and now we're going to find the new denominator. We're going to divide 50 by 5 this time. How many 5s are in 50? So let's do the division question, just a quick short division. 50 divided by 5, which equals 10. Okay, 10 times 5 is 50, so there are 10 5s in 50. Now the denominator would be 10. So there we go. 3 over 10 is 15 over 50 in its simplest form. Probably be a good idea to look at another example. Let's look at let me see. Better do this right. Okay, there we go. I'll pick the right pen here. 12 over 70. Or 72. Okay? 12 over 72. Let's look at this fraction. First of all, 12 is an even number. Alright? And so is 72. 72 is also an even number. Alright, so 12 is an even number. So therefore, both even numbers, they can be divided by 2. No matter what, always even numbers can be divided by 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 72 divided by 2 equals 36. Now look, we're actually doing the same to the top as we are to the bottom. Okay, so now we have a new fraction, 6 over 36, because we divided 6 into the 12, which equals 2, and 6 into 72, which equals 36. Or sorry, we divided 2 into 72, which equals 36. So our new fraction, 6 over 36. But then we're going to look at this fraction again, and we're going to notice, again, 6 into 36 can be divided even further. What one number divides equally into the 6 and equally into 36? Well, look at it. There's one number that can be divided equally, and that is 6. Okay? 6 can be divided equally into 6, and 6 can be divided equally into 36. Okay, giving us a whole number. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. And 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So there we have it. There is our final answer, 1/6, 1 over 6. So 6 over 36 in its simplest form is 1 over 6. And 12, the original 12 over 72, the simplest form would be 1 over 6. If you still don't get it, have another look at one of my other videos. Okay?